guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, I'm going to make this pork. I'm going to marinate today because we roast tomorrow. We marinate like 24 hours guys. So this one is 2 kg of pork belly. Okay, 2 kg of pork belly. I'm going to roast this one, make it crispy skin. They call it, it's like a barbecue pork. We call it lechon in Filipino. So, but you know what I'm going to use only is only 4 kinds. This is pepper, 5 spice powder, vinegar, white vinegar guys, okay, and only salt. Okay, salt. So I'm going to combine together the 5 spice and salt and black pepper is to marinate the meat. Okay, I mean the part of meat is okay guys, and the part of skin, just the vinegar, to brush it vinegar with salt and vinegar guys, okay, because we need to be crispy, but we have to marinate overnight. So I will combine the 3 first: salt, 5 spice, and black pepper for the meat. Okay, so this part, the meat, and then the skin is only salt and vinegar. So okay guys, I will show you up. Okay guys, okay, so guys, we need to cut it first, okay, but cut it not go through, okay, as you can see how I'm going to, like that. Not go through, okay. So see, not go through until the skin only guys, okay, until the skin only, as you can see. Okay guys, see, don't cut through. You see this one here, you see until here, look, until the skin, cut until the skin only guys, okay, see, until the skin only, not go through, okay, as you can see. Oops. Okay guys, and then I show you how to brush it with 5 spice, salt, and black pepper guys. Okay, so now I cut already, but you need to poke the skin, okay, this one here, to make it crispy, okay guys, like that. We do like this so it will be nice crispy when it's grilled, okay guys. And because we have to brush with salt and vinegar, so the flavor of salt and vinegar can absorb also. That's why we marinate for 24 hours guys, okay. You see this one, you have to poke. Okay guys, so now guys, this is the brush that I'm going to use, not toothbrush, this is a brush. And to measure guys, salt, half teaspoon, one-third teaspoon. This one need a lot, so I cannot. One teaspoon guys, 1 teaspoon, okay. So we have to mix it. See, just right. Okay, guys. Okay, then at the back. So now, from the back, okay, half teaspoon, then this one spoon, okay, 1, 2. So this is 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, guys. So we have to mix it. Okay. And then okay, guys. So now it's done. Only to barbecue tomorrow. I mean grill. Okay, guys. And this one. And the grease 250, as you can see. Preheat for 15 minutes. See, up and down 250 degrees.
xúc xúc mày xúc xúc thì nhảy đi ra là xúc xúc thơm rồi